Hey, hope you had a great Christmas. Today is the 26th, only a few days away from the new year. I hope that you have a plan set out for tomorrow. Don't wait for the next year. Start now. And if you're ready to start making money from home, get an extra source of income into your life, then hit the link below, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram at MASTERINVESTor. If you want to learn how to start making digital money, how to work from home, how to set up a business online, then go to www.masterinvestor.life and join us in the journey to help people break free from the rat race, make more money while they sleep, and start living your dreams today. Okay? Be on the fast track. Okay, don't wait until you're 65 to have a retirement plan. In fact, you can retire very soon because of the technology that we possess today. It allows us to really tap into the world, and we can sell just about anything with a click away. Today, the systems are friendly use. We don't need to know coding like we used to back in the day. Anybody, if you can use Facebook and Instagram, then you can also make a lot of money online, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that. We have a team in place. See the testimonials. We have so much data that is valuable already for free that we're going to give to you when you subscribe to our website and check out the back office. It is the new way. It's the future. I always preach that very soon all the jobs will be obsolete because artificial intelligence is coming right now rapidly, and it's taking over all the jobs for all the employees, because having a robot doing your job is a lot more beneficial for the owner of the company, because we don't have to give a raise to that artificial intelligence. We don't have to worry about them getting sick and so forth. So I call it the entrepreneur age instead of the information age. Okay, and it's all about packing information the right way and turn around and selling it to the marketplace, because there's so much information that not all the information is great. So if we can just put that together in a form that solves people problems, and they're looking for that solution that we offer, then we have a winner right there. Then we can definitely make money online, and we're going to show you exactly how you can do that, how to turn your passions into profit. Everybody's financial freedom is different. Okay, some people may take $10,000 to live happy every single month. So that's the 10,000 that we need to achieve from home, so that you can no longer have to work to live, right? Because the money that's coming in from the business online is paying for all those expenses per month without you working, okay? Because the systems are doing the selling and telling for us while we sleep. We have campaigns set up, and we send those campaigns out, and we just wait for the results, and it's a beautiful game. So I encourage you to sign up. Leave a comment below. Remember, it's all about building assets. Okay, I can never stress enough how important it is that you take a look at your asset column. If you have no assets in your asset column, then we're going to start helping you building the asset column. Okay, my company, Master Investor, is dedicated to provide financial education made simple, high quality financial education made simple for the masses, so that anyone who is tired of working the 9 to 5, tired to being around the wrong people, the wrong boss. A lot of times people get sick because they spend so many years working at a job that they hate. So we want to liberate you from that nightmare and show you the path and give you the path and the tools and the steps that you can take today to start making money instantly. And trust me, I can say this very comfortable. It's not that hard. It's really simple. Follow our blueprint, and you will have no issues in making money from home. We have a team that will stay with you all the way to the end. In fact, we will never leave you. we're here to stay. Okay, so hope you had a great week with your loved ones and ate well and so forth. But remember, get back in the grind, get back to your dreams, get back to your main focus, your priorities, self-development, and all that good stuff that makes us better. While everybody's out there partying and having a good time, we should be reading, we should be taking action on our dreams, okay? Massive action is essential, because just having the data, it doesn't do us any good. Power comes into equation when we actually apply the data and the knowledge that we have, okay? So knowledge without action is not power, it's just knowledge, okay? So much love. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe, leave a comment, share, and if you have any questions, please drop it below. I'll be answering them as soon as possible, or somebody from my team will jump in and answer as well. Okay, we're watching, and we can't wait to partner up with you. Welcome to the Master Investor Company. It is the only money brand of the world that is dedicated to help you understand the rules of the rich and help you make money like the rich. Passive income through assets that makes money in bad and good economies. That is a sound asset, and without us being present to make that money. In other words, we go to sleep and that asset and that machine and that those systems are working to do and to make money, to solve the problem in the marketplace, to offer, to take the client from point A to point C, and everything is already set up for them to grab and go. Okay, super easy and simple. Follow our blueprints that we have set out for you, and take your life to the next level. It's important. Okay, I care about you. I care about your dreams and your passions. I don't want you to be like one of those people that goes to the deathbed and they die with their dreams right in front of them because they never took action, right? We're going to help you be more confident. We have self-development in our back office. We have a bunch of great tools and great things that will definitely make you a better person. So with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. I just wanted to drop by. I'm here. I'm waiting for a business partner. We have a meeting today, and I can't wait to show you the rest and all the good stuff that I got coming for you to make you more money at the end of the day. That's my goal. My goal in this company is to help the people and our partners create a win-win deal, create a win-win relationship, providing value and providing lucrative solutions and tools that make you money from home, from wherever you are, without having to work hard. Okay, the rule number one of our company is that we do not work hard for money. We make money work hard for us. All right, you already heard it. Talk to you in the next video. Follow us on Instagram at MasterInvestor, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, take care. Stay great.